Hi, in this video we are going to see subtotal. It is a very small and simple topic. So say for example I have some data where uh, data is given, like employee details are given, and how much sale and what is the gross total and tax and net amount is given, and I want to apply subtotal. So what is the use of subtotal is, say for example we have department here, and I just wanted to subtotal of each department. There is a multiple department, and by department and department it should give me the subtotal. Or else if I want to see the subtotal of date, then on each date what is the subtotal we can get it. Similar way, if I have multiple time this employee data, uh, employee records are there, available are there, and I just wanted to get the each employee subtotal on this table, we can do. So wherever we want we can do. As of now in our example we have department as the common, and then we have in the same date we have multiple transactions. So we will do for that we will do the practice on the subtotal with this. So whichever before applying the subtotal, what we have to do is we have to make sure that our data wherever we are wanted to apply subtotal. Say for example I am going to do the subtotal for department. I have to make sure that subtotal the department, this is a sorted. The data should be sorted either ascending or descending order. If in the case I want to apply subtotal on the this date column, then this data should be formatted in the ascending and descending order. So let me select this table, and I'll go to the, you are on home tab, go to the data tab, click on here, and the last you can see the subtotal. Click on this, sorry, it is a group. We have the subtotal here. Click on this, and once you click on this you will be getting that at each change in. So at each change in you have to choose the department, because this is the place where we wanted, this is the column where we wanted to have the sum total, and what whether you want to subtotal or count or what you want. So by default it will be sum. You can take the count, average, minimum, maximum, product of anything. So I'll just click on the sum. Now it will ask for add subtotal to what the subtotal will be available, but what value you want to apply. So as of now I want to see the net amount. So net amount is already selected. In the case you want to subtotal of something else, you can do that, or else you can select multiple. Say for example you want to tax, gross, okay, for sales. So for all four you want a subtotal, you can get it. Replace current subtotal. If is there sum total already, it will be replaced. Break between groups, no, and summary below data. So last, at the last, all together it will be available. So I click on OK. If you observe, I got 3 lines are added, and we will discuss this one. And here at the bottom, if I scroll down little bit, we can see the subtotal. On BPO total, it is for BPO, and what is the total of here, what is the total of this gross total, what is the tax, and what is the altogether total. The similar way we will be having for finance. So we have finance, and then for HR, and at the last we have IT total and grand total as well. So it is for the altogether. Now coming back to the here, if you see these 3 lines are there, 1, 2, 3 is available. So it has a layer actually. If I click one first, if you see all together everything got merged, and it is giving the total, grand total. It is a top level of sum total, you can say. Then I am going on the second level. What is this? On the second level we have each department wise we have the subtotal. Then third layer is by each line item it is showing. In the case you have more than this, that it will 4 up to the 4 is possible, more than that it will not possible. But in the case 3 is a common, for sure you will be getting. And another thing is there, here you will be having plus button. Say for example I click on the row, and each line you have the plus button. If you want to see the, like I want to see the HR IT department details, you can click on the plus button and scroll down up, and you will be having minus again. You will be able to get one minus button there in between, and if hit on that, it will be collage expand, right? Those things are there. So if I click on this minus button, again it will move to top, and if you see, all these rows are hidden. As of now, only we can see the subtotals. So this is the one of the very good use of subtotals. If you want to expand all, just click on the 3 and everything will be expanded, and 2 and 1. So hope you understand what is the subtotal. If you have any clarification or doubt, you can just let us know on the comment box. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.